Hi all. In today's session, we'll discuss about Python operators. So we have around six categories in Python operators. The first one is arithmetic operator. Then second one is assignment operator. Then third one is comparison. Fourth one is logical. One is bitwise. Sixth one is special. We'll go through one by one. The first one arithmetic. Here these are used to perform mathematical operations. What are the mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, like addition, subtraction, etc. So if you see the operation, some example. The first one is here plus add. Example 100 plus 200 equal to how much? 300. Likewise minus subtract. Let us say 200 minus 100. So the resultant 100. Then multiplication, let us say 10 sharp 20 equal to 200. Then division, forward slash, here forward slash 2 equal to 3. And then floor division, 2 forward slash. For example, 8 by 3 is equal to 2. 8 by 3 is equal to 2. How it is? 3 2, 3 2 is 6. 8 minus 6, whichever quotient, right? That will be taken here. Then percentile, modulo, for example, 5 percentile 2. Here 2 2 is 4. So remainder 1. So here remainder, here quotient like this. Then 2 star, that means this is a power operator. That means, for example, 5 2 star means that is equivalent to 5 square 2. That means 5 into 5. That means 25. So these are arithmetic operators. Then we'll discuss about assignment operator. So these are used to assign values to variables. Example, num is a variable. For example, age equal to 5. Age a variable, or num is equal to 100. So we are assigning some values to the variables. Here also we'll prepare a list operator name example equal to assignment. For example, a is equal to 7 plus equal. So this is addition assignment. For example, a plus equal to 1. That means a equal to a plus 1. Another one, minus equal to subtraction assignment. A minus equal to 3. That means a equal to a minus 3. Then star equal to multiplication assignment. A star equal to 4. That means a equal to a star 4. Another one, division assignment. Here division assignment, a forward slash equal to 3. That means a equal to a by 3. Then percentile equal to remainder assignment. A percentile equal to 10. That means a equal to a percentile 10. Another one, r star equal to exponent assignment. A star equal to 10. That means a is equal to a star 10. This is how assignment operators. Next, we'll discuss about comparison operator. So these operators compare two values by variables and return a boolean. That means, what is the boolean result? Boolean result is either true or false. Example, p equal to 100, q is equal to 50. Print p greater than q. So here in this case, p equal to 100, q 50. So 100 greater than 50, which is true. Will print true value. So we'll prepare one table operator meaning example. So double equal to, that means is equal to 10, double equal to 20. So here it is in this case false, because 10 is not equal to 20. This is one more thing, not equal to 10, not equal to 20. This is true. Then one more thing, greater than 10, greater than 20. So this is false. Less than, for example, 10 less than 20. So then greater than or equal. Example, 10 greater than equal to 5. Here is false. Less than or equal to. So here also false. So because here 10 is greater than 5 but not equal. So that's why false. In the last one, 10 less than or equal to 5. So this is wrong. These are used in decision making. So why these? Where can we use? These are used in decision making. So these are the Python comparison operator. So remaining operators, like what are the pending one? If you see, arithmetic complete, assignment complete, comparison complete. In next session, we'll discuss about logical bitwise special. Okay, we'll meet in next session.